I don't know where you are, but where I am, it's springtime. And with springtime, it's time to get the skin together. Don't just take care of your skin in the daytime, you got to take care of it in the evening as well. So if you want to see what I'm currently doing as part of my nighttime skin regimen, stay tuned. I just wanna be free, finally, finally, I wanna be free, finally, finally, I wanna be free, finally, finally. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm showing you what I've been doing to my skin in the evening. Yes. So before we even get into that, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Go ahead and like this video. Just like this video if you plan on taking care of your skin, just for that. And share this video. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I've been using on my skin. I'm trying to get into exfoliating more and just taking care of it so I have, that glow. That glow from within shows on the outside through my skin, that is. And I'm talking about my face, body, and feet. And so this portion of the video is in collaboration with DUVOLLE and their Radiant skincare system. Have you ever had a spin brush at all for your skin? I have, and I actually broke mine, which seriously hurt my feelings because I'm telling you, exfoliating, just making my skin be the best that it could be. I really needed something like this. So when they contacted me, I was like, oh, okay. I didn't know DUVOLLE had skincare brushes. I had no idea. I didn't know they had a whole entire system. I'm used to seeing DUVOLLE associated with hair tools like blow dryers, flat irons, things like that, but they have this. So since I've taken it out, I'm checking it out because I will be using it right now. Right now it's in the evening, and so I'm just checking out everything to make sure it works okay. What's nice is there's 4 different attachments here. This is pretty nice here because not just the cleanser, the exfoliator, there's also the body brush and a pumice stone, y'all. Yes, pumice stone. You got to get them feet right, Don't be in these sandals if your feet's not right. So what I like about this is easy to turn on and off. This is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about, anybody getting shocked or anything while you just trying to take care of your skin. As you can see, I began taking the makeup off my face to prepare for the use of my DUVOLLE skincare system. Because let's keep it real, the rag is only going to go so far. Using a brush, the brush is going to make sure it actually removes the remaining dirt, makeup, and any excess oil, which I need because, these pimples, they doing something on my skin. So I really need to get a deeper clean, throughout my face and my body. So this is going to be nice. Before I really get into the rest of my skincare regimen, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I read these directions, make sure I'm doing everything correctly. It does take 4 AA batteries, so this should keep it working for a while. That part's okay. I wish it was just only 2 or just 1 because, if you got kids, if you kind of run through your batteries, but for the price of this, the value you're getting from it, all different attachments. You got 4 attachments, so 4 batteries. We're not doing the feet today. This won't be used today, but we will be using the face. So I already wiped most of the makeup off. I still have a whole lot of glitter and fallout and stuff on my face. So water back on. Wet my face a little bit. Wet this a little bit. Y'all will have to excuse the sound of my washing machine. Busy moms like me multitask. Okay, let's see what happens. Cut this on. Okay, nice. My facial cleanser is not flying off with a brush. Very gentle. Very soft. Very simple to wash off. This is very gentle and doesn't have an annoying buzz. I don't know how to explain it. But you know, sometimes facial brushes can just buzz too much. The vibration is too much. This is not. It has the vibration, but it's very, very gentle. There's no tugging at my skin at all. You can actually get a major discount on this item by using my code OLENA. And if you use it, you'll get 70% off this DUVOLLE skincare system. Now that I broke up everything, going in with the other side of this, just get the remaining residue off my face. 70% off. That, y'all, that's bananas. Seriously. I mean, there's no kind of way, if you're into beauty, makeup, you've been watching my videos, or whatever, there's no kind of way. At 70% off? Come on now. You know, times is rough with Corona going on and stuff. Let's go ahead and get the discounts where we can get the discount. $28.50 instead of... This is a gentle exfoliation. It's actually calming. Face feels great. And guess what, Roses? I have more good news. You're not just getting 70% off of this. You're going to get 70% off all of DUVOLLE's facial cleansing brushes and styling tools. So that doesn't just mean this. They have curling irons, blow dryers. I believe I even saw a flat iron. Whatever you plan on doing to your face or your hair, DUVOLLE got you. So if you can get 70% off of all that just by using me, please use me, okay? Because I think I'm gonna get some more things myself. So anyway. So shout out to DUVOLLE for collabing with me on their Radiance skincare system. Y'all go ahead and check it out, and let's go ahead and continue on with my nighttime skincare regimen. treat yourself. This is Self-Care Sunday. Well, the time I'm filming this is a Sunday, so really self-care should be every day of the week. We all need to take care of ourselves from head to toe. Let me know, do you like this type of video from me? Do you want to see more of my skincare, what I use on my skin? Would you like me to try out any hair tools that are out there, skin tools? Let me know down below. The ideas are helpful in knowing what you want to watch. Other than that, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.